Hey, Dan Gavere here from the Greer Real Estate Team, and I'm super excited to show you my new listing at 48 Aspen Hollow in Raynham, Mass. We have a 1,600 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 3 levels of living above grade with a full basement underground. We're at the end of the cul-de-sac, a great private lot. This home was built in 2009. A meticulous yard, move-in ready, and I'm excited to show you. So come take a look. Standing here in the professional bocce court in the backyard, just getting ready for a match before I head out. I want to thank you for coming on the tour today at 48 Aspen Hollow in Raynham. If you or anybody you know is looking for any more information on this property or like to set up a private showing, please have them call or text me at 774-300-0431. Dan Gavere from the Greer Real Estate Team.